In this video, we're going to solve inverse variation equations. So to solve an inverse variation or rational equation, we're going to use cross multiplication. So there's an example right there for you to have a good look at one all the way worked out. So let's start with example 1. We have 4 over x equals 9 over x minus 2. So cross multiplying works when we have one fraction equal to one fraction and nothing else is in our problem. So we're going to cross multiply and get 4 times x minus 2 is equal to 9 times x. So our first step, let's put over here because it says write out a verbal description to explain each step. So we're going to say that we first used cross multiplication. So cross multiply is step 1. The next thing we need to do is distribute the 4. So we get 4x minus 8 equals 9x. So let's say that we had to distribute the 4. All right, and then our next step, we want to put the x's on the same side, so let's move the smaller one. So we subtract 4x from both sides, so let's write that down. We subtract 4x from both sides. Okay, then we can bring down, let's see, 4x would cancel out. So we have negative 8 equals 5x. So we combine like terms. As a way to verbally say what we just did. And then our last step would be to divide both sides by 5. And so then we get negative 8 fifths equals x. All right, so let's just write that we had to divide both sides by 5. All right, so example 1, we had to solve by cross multiplying and then describe each step verbally. Let's do another example in this video, and then we'll put the other two in a separate video just so it's not too long of a video of everything. So first we're going to cross multiply. So we get 6 times x minus 4 equals 4 times 2x. So I'm going to go ahead and work it out and then write out my steps this time. So do a little differently. So 6 has to be distributed. So we get 6x minus 24 equals 8x. I'm going to move the smaller term with x to the other side to combine the x's and bring down what's left. So negative 24 equals 2x. And then I have to divide both sides by 2. So I get that x would equal negative 12. So to verbally describe what I did, let's see. The first step was to cross multiply again. That's what I did in this step, or from here to there. And then I distributed the 6. So distribute, sorry about that. Distribute 6 to x minus 4, and then we subtract 6x from both sides. We combine like terms. And then we divide both sides by 2. Okay, so that's it for the first two examples of solving inverse variation.